Hi friends, now we are solving a problem on vector integral calculus. The given problem is prove that integral over c f del g dot dr is equal to double integral s del f cross del g dot n bar ds. By the observation you can say this is the transformation between line integral to surface integral. So which theorem we will apply? Stokes theorem. What is the Stokes theorem statement we have? Integral over c, if S is a surface, open surface bounded by the closed curve c, then an integral over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to double integral over s del cross f bar dot n bar ds. Yes or no? Now by the observation of the given problem, from the given problem what you can say, dr quotient is here, f bar here, f bar is equal to f del g. So apply the Stokes theorem. What we required in the right side? Del cross f bar we need to find out. This value is del cross f bar or not here. So del cross f bar I am doing now. That is nothing but del cross f del g. You see, del g is a vector, f is a scalar. Del fg is nothing but here what? A vector. Now cross product of the vectors we are doing. In this case, you see, simple, this is del f first. I am applying differential operator on f cross del g. First one is over. Plus now f into, here f into del cross del g. F into del cross del g. I am repeating again, you see. First del f cross del g. Next f outside del cross del g. That's it. Now this is del f and cross del g. Both are del f and del g both are different. But here you see plus f into, this is del cross del g is nothing but cross product is curl. Del cross of vector is a curl. So curl del g is nothing but gradient of g. So what is mean by curl grad? 0 bar. So f into 0 bar. What is f into 0 bar? 0 bar only. Therefore del cross f bar is equal to del f cross del g. So from this what you can say, integral over c f bar dr bar is, what is f bar? F del g dot dr bar. F del g dot dr bar is equal to double integral over s del cross f bar. What is the del cross f bar? Del f cross del g. Del f cross del g dot n bar ds. That's it. You see, this one only we have to prove or not. Check it. Integral over c f del g dot dr is equal to double integral over s del f cross del g dot n bar ds. The given problem is prove that integral over c f del g dot dr bar is equal to 0 bar. So we are applying in this case Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem we have integral over c f bar dr bar is equal to double integral over s del cross f bar dot n bar ds. So here you observe, by the observation what you can say, f bar is equal to, in the given problem, dr quotient. What is the dr quotient here you have? F del f. F into del f. So this is a vector. Now find out del cross f bar. Del cross f bar, that is del cross f del f. Now we know the cross product of these two. This vectors. This is a del is a vector and a f del f is also vector. Now you can say first del f cross del f plus f into del cross del f. You see friends, del f cross del f, same vector cross multiply. I dot I cross I is 0, I dot I is 1, I cross I is 0, j cross j is what? 0, k cross k is nothing but what? 0. Nothing but there is no rotation. I replaced by again I only. So in this case you will get no rotation, that is bar only, 0 bar. So you are getting this is 0 bar plus del cross del f is nothing but curl grad f. What is the curl grad f you have? 0 bar. So what you can say, this is final answer is 0 bar. Which answer is 0 bar? Del cross f bar is 0 bar. Del cross f bar is 0 bar. What is f here you have? This one. Therefore, you see, therefore integral over c, f is nothing but f del f dot dr bar is equal to double integral s 0 dot n bar ds, nothing but 0. Hence what you can say, finally integral over c f del f dot dr bar is equal to 0. That's it. Is it clear for everyone? Thank you. you for watching this video.